guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going through a review for the Indy Ridge boots. So, Indy Ridge, these are the Comanches. This is the first pair that I bought from Indy Ridge. Roughly, actually almost a year ago now. I got to thank Rainy Rider for recommending them to me and pushing me to eventually get a pair. Full grain leather all the way around. The soles are extremely comfortable. They've got this reverse tread pattern, which makes for some decent slip resistance. They're extremely comfortable, like ungodly comfortable. I wear these everywhere that I'm wearing the boots that I have for work. They have a heel cap, not a heel cap, but reinforced heel. And they have ankle caps, rubberized ankle caps built into the boot to protect you. The Comanches, Crows, and a few of the other boots from the Phoenix collection are waterproof. One of the ways that Indy Ridge has done this is they've taken an extra piece of leather, mated it to the tongue back to the shoe to keep the keep the water out down in here. That extra piece of leather. That way water doesn't seep through when you're riding. I've been caught in several rainstorms with these, and I can say with 100% confidence that my feet were probably the driest thing on me at the end of the ride, and that's with wet weather gear on. I have not treated these with any oils yet, so Steve, if you're watching, please don't hurt me. They originally came a lot darker shade of brown when they were straight out of the box. I wanted a little bit more wear and patina to the boots, so I'm getting ready to oil them in the next couple weeks because they're finally at that point that I want them. After a year of hard use though, the Comanches have held up phenomenally. I couldn't ask for a better everyday boot. Now, another pair of the Indy Ridge that I have are the Crossfields. I actually gifted these to a friend and had to ask to borrow them back so I could actually bring them up for the review. He was none too happy because he wanted to go riding today. Same design, roughly, as the Comanches, with biggest difference is the toe is a little more pointed. It does have that beautiful, I'm a fan of an all black boot. I like something that, this is when the sole offsets it. So these are awesome. I'm currently waiting for a set of Knights to come in, the new ventilated Knights. The Crossfields and the Knights are part of the ventilated collection. But the owner of Indy Ridge had, hopefully you guys have seen it. I'll drop a link to the little trailer that he put out, which was awesome. He increased the ventilation where you could put a light bulb in and be able to see all the way through this portion of the boot. Biggest things that you would not see through are your ankle caps, which are still here, this reinforced heel, and the reinforced toe box. These are all, and the entire boot is still made of full grain leather. When I was wearing these, these were extremely comfortable as well. But my buddy bought a new bike, didn't have any riding boots, so passing my confidence along to him, gave him these boots. I really don't feel like I can do these boots justice by just saying yes, they're comfortable. I put a couple thousand miles on these boots riding. I walk in them every day. They're comfortable for going out, everyday use. I haven't hiked in them yet. I haven't ran in them. they're boots. So do with that what you will for running. You don't feel the ankle caps at all, like, period. The company's done a phenomenal job of hiding that little aspect on the inside of the boot. Oh my God. So you can see it protruding a little bit on the outside of the boot, but on the inside you cannot feel it at none, which is, to me, another great feature. They are a little stiff out of the box, but that's to be expected. It's a full grain leather boot. But do I recommend them? 110%, yes. I will not buy another riding boot. So that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We'll come check out Weirdos Assemble every Friday night at 8 p.m. Central. If you want to support the channel, you can join Patreon or go visit the Goon Shop. We have Weirdos Assemble merch there too. All the links will be down in the description. And we hope to see you guys at the next live stream or the next premiere. Later, guys.
Claustrophobic mind, and I am